How to add a business profile in Waymo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Waymo app on your device. Here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on account at the bottom right corner of your screen. And after you click on account at the bottom right corner of your screen, here, find business profile option. You'll find it below account. After that, you can simply click on it and add business profile. Enter your work or school email address. Request the verification code. After you've found code in your email, enter the code and confirm the business profile. And after you do this, you're good to go. And after you add, you'll also be able to switch between profiles when booking rides. And this is how to add a business profile in Waymo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.